We've all been told the same lie since we were about 5 years old. Stand up straight, pull your shoulders back. Our parents have said it, teachers have said it, even our coaches have practically made it a religion for us. For most of us, that's actually some of the worst advice we can follow. Think about what happens the second we try to force that perfect posture. Often, our pelvises can shift forwards. We could perhaps start to arch our lower back like a bridge. Or sometimes our ribs might flare out, and suddenly all our weight is jammed onto the front of our feet. Sure, we might look 2 inches taller for about 10 seconds, but it will feel exhausting. It feels stiff, it feels false, and eventually our brain just gives up. And we collapse right back into that slumped position because our bodies are tired of fighting itself. The good news is, good posture shouldn't be a workout, and our bodies are actually designed to organize itself naturally. Our spine needs curves. It needs a little bit of an arch in our lower back, a gentle rounding in the upper back, so our head can rest easy on the top of it. When we aggressively try and pin our shoulders back, we're not fixing anything, we're just flattening our upper back. And when we then try to do that, our body compensates elsewhere, where the ribs flare out, the hips could tighten, and that niggly neck tension actually comes from. Our bodies, they aren't broken. It's just trying to survive the weird positions that we want to force it into. Instead of trying to sort of manhandle our skeleton into place, we want to try and find a way to stack it. So let's think about our ribs stacking over our pelvis, not shoving it forwards and then trying to collapse down. We just need to stack it. The easiest way to find this is just breathe. Stand up, put your hands around your lower ribs, take a long deep breath in, and then slowly exhale through the mouth. As the air leaves, you should feel your ribs soften and naturally drop down a little bit. Staying tall lets those ribs settle. So notice how that feels. There shouldn't be any tension because we're not holding our breath. We're just balancing. So let's see if we can start to remap this posture for our brain. So let's try for the next 30 seconds this really cool reset. We need to find a wall, and we need to stand about a foot away from it. Lean into the wall, put your forearms on against the wall, and just gently push away and keep your weight on the heels. Stop trying to grab the floor with your toes at this point. Blow all your air out of your mouth until you can feel the sides of your abs sort of squeezing to get the air out. Then quietly breathe in through your nose, trying to expand your upper back. Now, if we do that 5 times, we're now actually teaching our ribs and our pelvis, and with our breath work, that actually they can start to stack again. So it's really simple and really effective reset. At the end of the day, posture isn't about posing like a statue. It's about being human who can move, can breathe consistently without hacking our posture. And when we move better, our posture just happens. So we don't have to think about it all the time. This is exactly the approach we take with things inside out-of-the-box rehab. We don't just give you the perfect exercise to fix your slouch. We help you find a movement pattern that's keeping you stuck, so your body can finally stop fighting itself and starting to feel good again. I send out daily emails with super useful tips just like this, straight to your inbox. There's a link below in the description if you want to sign up. And if you want to find out more about out-of-the-box rehab, there's a link to find out more there. And if you want to find out why your lower back pain keeps coming back, you might want to watch this video here.